Hi, I'm Little Crazy and welcome to my tech space. Okay, so today is going to be a quick unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go microphone. Yeah, now this is a dual channel microphone. Comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. You know what? Let's get right into the box. Where's my unboxing knife? Unboxing knife is right here. Okay, let's pop this open. Okay, right out of the box, you know me, I always like to take everything out. So this is what we get into the box. Okay, empty box, nothing here. So here in the box, what you get is quick guide. Make sure you read it, right? USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. It comes with 3 of them, and then a single TRS cable, or a headphone cable, you can call it. Just a single one. It comes with here. A little pouch here. Huh. Nice. All right, okay, so let's have a look here. Oh yes, your dead cats, 3. Okay, right out of the box, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So yeah, so that's the reason why it comes with the 3 USB Type-C and no Type-C to Type-A cable, because that's what you're going to use to charge. You're going to use to charge them, right? Pop this open here. The transmitter is very tiny here for the USB charge. Here, you know, you have a mic. So the microphone is here for both. You know, the microphone is right there, and then the transmitter, which has a little LED display here. Yeah, that's it right there. So the dead cat goes on top here. It has an indicator that you know, you put the dead cat, you know, in, and then you twist it to lock it in place. It has this 2 dots here, right? And then you can see there it has 2 dots as well. Make sure you match both dots out, and then just twist it in place, and boom, that's it. It's all done, right? It's all done right there. Yeah, it has a glossy finish. It's very tiny. You can go ahead and then clip somewhere here, you know. Or you can use it without the mic, without the dead cat. If you want, you just clip it there, and you're good to go. I mean, it's, yeah. So this is what you get. You know, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. This deal, this is good, right? I got it too, you know, because you can use one. If you want to interview somebody, you have the second one to use, you know. Yeah, and both will transmit straight into the receiver. Will receive both audio signal coming from the 2 separate microphones. So look, to me, yeah, this is good. You can also go for the package deal that you get just 1 single transmitter and 1 single receiver. Yeah, but then look, if you are vlogging and I don't know, you have somebody, or you're interviewing somebody, yeah, you know, you get to record only just 1, you know, 1 vocal. So it will be best to get the 2, you know, 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. To me, yeah, that would be the best thing. You can just go ahead and use it straight with a dead cat or without the dead cat mounted, and then you are good to go. But for me, look, I'm not going to use it like that, because it is still bulky. It's tiny. As much as this is tiny and small, it is still bulky, right? When it's over there. So I'll recommend, when you get this, also get the Lavalier GO, right? Make sure you get the Lavalier GO, the Rode Lavalier GO. Now the Rode Lavalier GO is just perfectly made for the Rode Wireless, you know, Go 2, right? Okay, so let's pop this one open here, the Lavalier GO. Unbox knife. That's what you get. And that's what is in the box for the Lavalier GO. Cut this out. Boom. That's what you get. That's what you get here. The Lav, right? So yeah, and then with the transmitter, you plug it in here, boom, there you go to go, right? For me, this is how I'm going to use it, right? Yeah, and then This is the clip with the lav, the clip, you know, and then have it in there just like what I have here, and then have a clip in place. It is a very tiny little lav compared to what I have here. It is, you know, super tiny, which is good. You know, it fits in perfectly, you know, with a clip. This is how, to me, this is the best way to use it. And then I can now clip the transmitter right behind me and this underneath here, and it's good to go, right? See, I got this for the Sony ZV-E10, right? So that things become pretty much easy, you know, when I'm, because I like good quality sound, right? Easily clips into the dead cat's mount. It clips right in here, just easy like that, right? Yeah, you know, so from there, let's mic this up. Let's mic this camera up now. You know, the TRC cable, then microphone input. Boom. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so look, the receiver is in here, and now the two transmitters can now transmit straight to the receiver, you know, with the live. To me, this is the good setup to go for, you know, the package deal that you get to receive two transmitters in one receiver. You have two separate audio channel, and then the lav mic. It makes a very, you know, hands-free, good quality audio that you get. Look, it comes with this great pouch, beautiful pouch, even the pouch for the lav, right? It is good and all, but this is a, you know, it's just a simple pouch. You just throw it in there, you know, and then you're good to go. That is, you know, that is all good and all, but I will recommend, well, personally, I recommend that when you get this, make sure you get one more thing. Okay, so this is a hard shell case for everything here. Beautiful hard shell case. It already has the cutout, right? Because this is the great foam, right? And here it has all the cutout. The cutout for the receiver and the two transmitters. There you go. Look at that. Much more beautiful, right? And then here you can just throw in your dead cat in here. Then your lav, throw that in here. This to me is much more better and easy to carry than this little pouch thing here, which is good. I mean, hey, it is good. You know, you can just work with this one here. It is perfectly fine. But for me, a hard shell case is always better, a better option, because you can throw it inside your camera bag with a bunch of accessories in there. You know that nothing is going to, you know, affect your wireless go, because yeah, you know, it's a premium. It comes with a premium you know, price, so you want to protect that. A hard shell case is definitely a go. You get the cutout with all the transmitters and receivers in there. You throw in your dead cat here, and you throw in your lav microphones in here, and then you are perfectly good to go. I recommend that. Totally get a hard shell case if you're getting that. And also, yes, and you can throw in your USB cables in there if you want to, right? Speaking of charging, you have three tiny little devices here that you have to charge, right? So 3 USB cable, USB Type-C cable, and you have to plug it in each and every one of them to charge. This here, look, doesn't look all that great, right? It is okay, but not great. So one of the things you can also do is get this little tiny box here. So in this little box is what do we have here? A charging dock. That's something you can also get, which comes with this little hard shell case also. Yeah, so what it does, what this does, right? So instead of having like that, right, having it this way, you can have your receiver plug in here, and then your transmitter plug in there, and then you can plug in your receiver here, right? So with this little, you know, charging dock storage, right, you can just plug the one transmitter, one receiver, because it accepts only two, and then plug in your USB here, you know, so that will eliminate one more USB you have to use. And here you go, you have this two here, right? You know, and it's a very neat, you know, much more neat setup, you know, to go for. Oh, sorted, good to go, right? Yeah. In a hot shell case, you got your storage docking station here. You know, you got your ZV or, you know, whatever camera that you have, you know, it'll work with it. So this is the unboxing. I'm going to take this, I will take this thing, you know, with the ZV out and go and do a lot of sound tests, you know, see how, you know, the quality of the sound, you know, I'm saying, the range and all of that. Thanks once again for joining me today on Crazy Tech Space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share, and also comment below. Yes, I will see you in the next episode. Chale, me that say.